Hi guys, I'm the 30 years experience faculty. I am giving you some questions. Question number 1, cause of the dengue fever. What is the cause? By which mosquito biting the dengue happens, and how do fish breathe? We are breathing by the nose, inhaling and oxygen reaching to the blood by the lungs. But question is how do fish breathe? In photosynthesis, in photosynthesis process, plants are preparing food with the help of photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, light is used. So light having 7 colors. In 7 colors, which color is maximum used? The maximum color you have to tell. The maximum color is used, that name. 6 hormone released by the gland. That gland name is to tell you lifespan of RBC. Red blood corpuscles, what is the lifespan? And number of ribs in human body. This is our human body, or in human body there are ribs. So number of ribs you have to tell. Smallest flightless bird in the world. Name the bird that is the smallest, and it is flightless also. It cannot fly. And 2 chambers heart vertebrate, an animal that that's a heart having 2 chambers, and it is vertebrate too. So please try your best. Please think. There is some time with you. Please try. Yes, please answer. Hurry up. Answer, please. Okay. I have received the answers. Some persons' answer are correct. Most of having correct. But this is also very large percentage. Answers are not correct. One thing is cause of the dengue fever. Dengue fever is by the biting of the female mosquito, and its mosquito name is Aedes mosquito. By the biting of the Aedes mosquito, Aedes female mosquito. So by the biting of the mosquito, by the biting of Aedes, name of the mosquito is Aedes female mosquito. By biting of this, dengue fever will be, and in this platelets of the blood will be reduced. This is the answer. Next is how do fish breathe? Fish is breathing by the gills. In the fish there are gills. Means let it is a fish. So this is the mouth. This is the mouth. This is the mouth of the fish. So here is a hole. This is called gill. They intake water from over here and out from the mouth. In this operation, oxygen dissolved in the water is absorbed by the fish body. Above the mouth there are holes or gills. Water is taken from the gills and given out from the mouth. In this operation, water is coming and going out. In this operation, water is absorbed by the body of the fish, and this is the respiratory system of the breathing system of the fish. fish have no lungs. Six hormones released by the which gland? By the gland. You have to tell name. What is the name? So adrenal gland. Name is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland. And next is lifespan of the RBC. Red blood corpuscles. Its life is 120 days. After 120 days, RBC will be destroyed, damaged. Their life is over. That's why daily new RBCs are preparing and old ones are removing. Number of ribs in human body. In our human body there are ribs. The number of ribs 24. Teeth, total number of teeth in human 32. And ribs 24. Number of ribs 24. A smallest flightless bird. A bird that is the smallest. Second property, it is flightless. It cannot fly. And it is found in the Antarctica. This is name is kiwi. It is kiwi. A bird that can neither fly. It is a flightless bird, cannot fly, and it is smallest also. And two chamber heart vertebrate. An animal that is property is it is a vertebrate and it having two heart. Human being is also a vertebrate creature. It is in category of vertebrate. Human heart having 4 chambers, but fish having 2 chambers. So answer is fish. These are answers. Please try your best and please subscribe for the next video and try your best to provide the videos to others too, and share this knowledge with your children. Please share with your family members. Okay, best.